Alright, today is the day. We gotta get the oil changed on the Ford. What do we got? 34,637. Last time I think it was 27,000 something. So we're due. There it is. Take a look at this. See how we're doing. Hard to see that. Don't look too bad. Alright, we got a ramp set up here. Let's see if we can keep it in the lines. Okay, nice job. I had to go slow. I was watching the top of the hood. Thought I was gonna hit the garage. Now we're into the car. Next I gotta take this cover off right here. I'm debating on whether to even put this back on. It's kind of a pain in the ass every time. I don't know why they don't just have a hole for the oil filter and drain plug. Oh well. Alright, we got all those off. I think there's 8 screws. I think there used to be more. I probably lost a couple already. Let's see if I can get this off. Yep. There it goes. Alright. There's the plug. There's the filter. Nice and easy. Got the right size. I think it's a 15 or something. Let's see how this looks. Yeah, it looks pretty dark. Alright, we got our new filter. Slap that bad boy on there. Come on. 2 turns. That's good, right? Alright, we'll just clean this up a little bit. Make sure we don't have a mess for next time. Alright, looking good. Just gotta get this drain plug tightened up, and we'll fill her up. What is that? That's tight enough. Alright, we got a Valvoline 5W20. We need 5.7 quarts. So we got 5 here. Alright, let's see how we did here. What do we got? Oh, that's the wrong side. There it is. Yeah, it looks good. Alright, let's get under here. Check for leaks. Yeah. Nope. Looks good to me. we got her filled up, covers on. We'll start it up, get it off the ramps, and check the level again. These are nice ramps. My brother Ron bought these for me. Used to jack up the car, you know, get under there. That wasn't very safe. So, these have come in handy. Check the oil, right where it needs to be. Cleaned it up on here. Checked all the fluids, those are good. That's good. Radiator, air filter's good. She's good to go. All that's left, we just gotta reset the oil change monitor information. What do we do here? Go down, go settings, that's the one. Vehicle, oil life, reset, 21%. Hit OK. There it goes. Successful. Wow. Look at that. Nice. Go back. Back. And what do we do now? Trip 1, I think we're on. That's it. It's done.